Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Raman.
Dear subscribers, today we again have Group Captain Alok Kumar Chatterjee on our show. So today sir will guide us about the psychology test and the interview part of the Service Selection Board SSB.
Okay, Aman, I understood that you and your friends would love to know about the psychological test. Now, this psychological test actually comprises of four parts. All of you must be aware because you must have read so many books, guidebooks. Few of you might have had attended the boards. It starts with thematic appreciation test, goes to word association test, then the situation reaction test, and last but self description. Now, all these tests, first you must understand that SSB is trying to get back into your subconscious mind. Time and again I am repeating. So it is like, बाहर से अंदर की ओर आना. Like it is, summing up of the whole thing, collecting, like suppose the wheat is a spread. So what you do, you start brooming it inside, then you make a mound, and lastly you pick it up. Understood? It is that's a simile which I want to tell you in all our tests. It is the system that firstly they want to know how wide is your horizon. Firstly, okay, and thereafterwards slowly it converges inside you to find out about in relation with the horizon where you have been brought up, where you have been living. Okay, how much you have intrinsically grown. That is what is the basic aim of all the tests of this SSB. To begin with this
So,
thematic appreciation test, if you remember. Yes,
sir, when this test
yes,
has
Aman.
started after the screening part, so what is the main motive of the psychologist? What he want to actually test from that particular candidate?
That is precisely I'm coming into that in his subconscious mind at his physical age, is it actually contemporary that whatever he is thinking, whatever his vision, are they contemporary to his age, or it is lesser than that, or it is more than that? That is precisely. It is your maturity of the personality per se that is being viewed and assessed by the psychologist through their tool that which is named as thematic appreciation test, word association test, SRT and SDT. Okay,
So, sir, when we
am I
talk
audible?
about the thematic appreciation test, please guide us about the this particular test,
That is
TAT.
what I was trying to tell you that in the TAT, that is the thematic appreciation test, you are shown a picture. This picture is absolutely clear. It is unlike the PPDT picture where the picture was to be hazy. Now in this picture, actually it is shown so clear because you have to identify your hero. There will be two, three characters. Like one, say for example, if I may quote a picture, say where in a crossroad you see there is a person lying in a pool of blood. There is another two persons from the other side. They are just overlooking it, and there is another person who is in a car. You can see make out that the car is going away. That's all. Nowhere in the picture it has been told or shown or pointed out that the car has hit the man and that is why it is lying in the blood pool. But generally when this picture is shown, what do you see? What do you feel? Generally in the candidate will feel that the speeding car might have had hit the person who is lying in the pool.
Yes, sir.
See, one thing we must remember, a piece of advice to the candidates that, you see, picture per se has never pointed out any crime, any criminal, any wrongdoings. It is just shown an incident which has happened. That's all. Now you start growing up or brewing up the story that there was a car which was in a hurry, which was carrying certain unauthorized item, which was being chased by the police. So in a hurry at the crossroad, he ran over the signal, and in this process, he hit a man or something like that. Okay, this is how generally the story is made. But One
Yes,
thing
sir.
I want to draw your attention at is that when you come out of your house, when you just prior going out of the home, don't you just go and pray to the God that God, let everything be safe, let me not have any problem. All these things generally happen, right? So that means nobody wants anything wrong to happen in their life. That is for sure. Guaranteed. No one will choose for some incident unnecessarily happening. Everybody wants a peaceful, simple life.
Safe journey.
Now, in this particular story, when the generally people are told that create a problem, then try to solve it, and then whosoever solves it is a hero, and that is the hero identification. Fine, that is another school of thought. But my process of thinking is that, say, I am always thinking good for the environment, good for everybody. It can happen that that person had met with an accident earlier. It has got nothing to do with that directly with the speeding car. It is just a stimulus given to think. And you are thinking, I may also think that the speeding car actually was something else, where maybe it is trying to retrieve the situation or trying to get the help of a doctor or something who is close by, is speeding up to get him back onto the scene, probably. Or maybe that car had seen somebody who had hit him and who was running away, so he is chasing it to get the details of the person who has caused this crime. There could be so many situations, explanation. But mainly, what I'm trying to say, do not. This is an advice to the candidates. Okay, never start thinking negative right from the beginning. Okay, like you may ask, sir, if four people are carrying a person on a stretcher on their shoulder, covered with a cloth, what it
Yes,
could
sir.
be, how can I think positive? That is a situation, right? If I say that in the pandemic situation, suppose I am a candidate, I'm writing a story in the pandemic situation where the corona is such a spread, the corona warriors have found in the up hills and the remote place where there is no hospital, there is no ambulance, and the only way to take the patient to the nearest hospital for the care for the pandemic is that the corona warriors had to carry that person who was still alive and suffering from, suspected to be suffering from corona, to the nearby facility.
Hospital.
Is it a negative? But
No, sir.
if you must start making a story, okay, there was a corona pandemic and one person had died and he had nobody said that they will die. So my hero identification is that Ram with his three friends went to the village, picked up the dead body and trying to bring it. Now see how illogical. How illogical is this story is, because a corona patient who has died will never be permitted, first of all. Secondly, it will not be left in that situation. Thirdly, if it has to be cremated, it has to be a separate crematorium. All these facts are known to everybody. But what happens when the candidate goes there? He, just in case he remembers the mool mantra of the psychological or other test, even in the GT also, currency and relevancy. So he heard this mantra of currency and relevancy. So he thought it is current because the pandemic is a current situation which is happening. So to join it, he made it a dead body and being carried away. And rest of the relevant part he forgot, where a corona patient or a corona core cannot be carried like that. That is where we go wrong. Okay, so my suggestion will be, see the story and think what best way you could put it in a positive manner, where you are not directly blaming a person, okay, for any commitment of any crime or anything. Like the previous story I said, that probably the car is speeding up to, in one word, fetch some help.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we move out to our next part, that is WAT, word association test.
Yes, we will now talk on the word association test. In word association test, you are shown the words flashed on the screen, and the whole time limit is there for the 10 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
In that, you need to see the word, make the sentence need to contain the word or maybe conveying the word. It need not be in the same form. It could be in any in form of the parts of speech, like it could be the adverb for the word, meaning out of it. Okay. Now, Aman, I will draw your attention towards this. In the TAT, you were free to choose your hero. If it could be the person who was lying in the pool, it could be the speeding car, it could be the person who was overlooking anybody, right? But here, you don't have the choice. You have to talk. Suppose the word given is grief. Now you have to think on grief only. Can you think of something else? No.
No, sir.
Isn't it? Grief can be used in sentence in the form of grievance, okay, or maybe the grief itself, or it could be like in the antonym, okay, that also conveys the meaning of the grief. So this is how you come to word association test, where it is now been focused, you are forced to think on that particular word and nothing else. That is where I am trying to tell you that it is converging now. It will further converge in the next exercise, which is
Sir, how you guide the
situation
students to
reaction.
how to utilize those 15 seconds for per word?
See, the best part I would suggest is that suppose you are going in a sequence, right? Say number one word was shown, you have made a sentence. Do not write very long sentence. Write a legible, communicable, understandable sentence. Okay. Do not write phrases and proverbs. After all, it is your personality which is being tested, and not like what Gandhiji had said, honesty is the best policy. It is not Gandhiji's personality is under test, it is your test. So, some action which reflects your involvement through your subconscious mind is being tested in this word association test.
Okay, sir, we move on to our next test. It is SRT. It is situation reaction
Yeah.
test.
Yes. In this situation reaction test, you are now given a situation. Okay. And you are forced to think under that situation. Now, what is happening here? Here also, some part of perception plays. Say, for example, if the situation is given that you are traveling in a train compartment which was almost totally empty, and in one of the cabin you found that three girls were traveling and you are the only one male member in that compartment. While the train was running and it was dark, you found all of a sudden the lights gone off and there was a big scream by all the ladies who were sitting on the next cabin. You dot 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 means what will you do? Now you don't have to be very heroic. Think rationally and think logically. If you are traveling alone, you don't know those three ladies. In the current situation, even the ladies could be a trap. Okay, they might find you. Okay, he is from a well-to-do family. He is traveling alone. Let us trap him. That could be one possibility. The second
Yes, sir.
possibility could be the ladies themselves are actually pious. There's no problem, but there's something has happened. Now, if I may ask you, what will be the general, reaction to this type of situation?
So the general reaction,
People, yes,
so usually what the people will do that they will create a problem in that there may be some mishappening.
exactly, exactly. That is what I was trying to know your opinion. Generally, they will say, "Oh, I will immediately go to the cabin and will try to see what has caused this ladies to scream and will overpower if I find some miscreant is there." Are If you read the situation carefully, it was told none else but four of you only were there, in which three was on one cabin and one was in other cabin. right? Now the screen could be for anything. Okay, they might have seen like in the mobile also some things are sent where you really get
Horror video.
yes. Okay, or Indian Railways, I'm not criticizing. Of course, it has come up very well, but you cannot still rule out cockroaches and other things or rats. So if that type of thing has gone through their, on their person, they might scream. So what is your reaction? That is what the psychologist wants to know. The best reaction to maintain, again, I remind you the currency and the relevancy. Switch on your mobile torch, light it on, make a noise of thing. What is it? Any help, madam, required? And then see what has happened. That's all. अब उसमें तुमको चेन खींच लेना, आरपीएफ को बुला लेना, टिकट कलेक्टर्स को बोल देना, I mean, you are growing unnecessarily hysteric. They have just screamed, and the situation said you are only 4. So, you're getting my point.
Yes, sir. What I feel, sir, nowadays our youth is mainly affected by the movies and other web series. They want to declare
True.
themselves as a hero.
Yes, that is what is the misidentification of the hero. They want to be a hero, whereas they have come to join the service which is going to make them hero, but they are in a hurry. So this part has to be understood very, very clearly. Okay. Last, am I clear about it?
Yes, sir.
You see, this it doesn't end here. It is just a glimpse I am trying to give you on this 4, techniques of this. I mean, the 4 topics of the psychology. Okay, self-description test means how much you know about yourself. Starting your journey from the childhood, maybe at the age of 6. I mean, yes, that is the place where you remember actually. Before that, you don't remember. Or maybe when you are at the standard 6th. From there onward, you must make a resume. So it is basically a resume of your own self. That how was your childhood? How were you in studies? How were you in games? How were you in your extracurricular activities? How people liked you? Some people might have disliked you. If so, why? What have you done about it? What is your relationship with the friends, parents, siblings, your the other relatives? Likewise, so it is a series of this thing which can be written in 3 or 4 stanzas depending upon your age factor. Now, at this age, when people are trying to join the NDA, basically it will be confined to their present around their parents and the teachers and their educational funding and all that thing. Second, the para could be about their relatives like their uncle, aunt, grandparents. Likewise, okay, friends, whom you like, whom you didn't like, why you didn't like, all these sort of things you can mention a paragraph. And the third is what is your vision of the goal ahead, what you want to be, and for that what are you trying and or rather have you been doing about it. That's all about it. It's so simple. But having said so, how you present it, that matters. It is not like easy writing. Like cow is a 4-legged animal, it has got 2 horns and 1 tail and this and that and blah. It is a mundane. How that is where creativity also matters a lot. And for that, whosoever is actually taking guidance from me, I personally make sure that they must write at least a page on abstract writing. Like pain. Pain is abstract feeling, isn't it? You can't see it, but you can feel it. But the pain is of various type. A pain to lose your close one, a pain when you feel hungry, a pain where you physically hurt. See, so many types of pain are there. And when you get into this abstract writing, actually you are exercising your brain. You are allowing your brain to think on all those arenas, and that will come handy when you go for this type of psychological test where within seconds you have to take a decision and make a sentence.
Okay. So, sir, today we have completed our psychology past. So I request our subscribers, if they want the detailed knowledge on the psychology part of SSB, they can take the online course of Group Captain Alok Kumar Chatterjee, sir. They can get our numbers. They are mentioned in the description part of our video. Please contact us, and you can also clarify any doubt from the sir. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome, Aman. God bless, and God bless all those who are enthusiasts to strengthen our armed force.
Thank you, sir.